Hello, I am doing the Coco Loco challenge. Honestly, I'm kind of scared, but let's do this, right? Got an audience, got my Winnie the Pooh cup. I'm ready to go. Oh, it's got a nice death seal on the back of it. I'm shaking, terrified. Damn it, I can't open it. Okay, there we go.
How spicy it is? Is that this?
Spicy?
Did you see in the box about?
Oh yeah, it says your last chance to turn back. That's this this chocolate bar has some nice little bits inside of it. I mean, like, I think that's actual pepper that I'm seeing. Okay, now I just gotta eat the entire bar. Not touching wrapper, let's touch the chocolate, and... Wow, that's so fast.
How do you feel now?
Sea salt, so that... Oh shit. Oh damn it. There goes the hiccups. Shit.
Are you okay?
This is the worst part. Oh shit.
I really want to show that how people react to you. Hiccup.
That's how it's going. Oh shit.
Do you need to drink that?
No, not yet. Okay, maybe.
You sure?
It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
You hiccup a lot.
Yes, but I mean... I'm dying on the inside. But it's going to... going to a prostate cancer foundation for gearing together. Hashtag Choco Challenge. Oh gosh dang it. Oh. Still burning. But from what I saw in other people doing this, I thought it was going to be much worse. Well, it's about as bad as the Carolina Reaper puree. Oh yeah. And that's me doing the... What is it? Choco challenge with a spicy infused with... Ooh, chocolate... Oh, gosh.
Still
Spicy
burning?
chocolate infused with black reaper pepper. Yes, it feels like it's getting worse. I feel like I'm a Pokemon. It's like Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. Yeah, you enjoying this too? Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay.